In this example, I'll be using Google Chrome. Start by typing Google Forms into the search bar, and then click the first link that appears, the one highlighted here. Once the page opens, choose Go to Forms. Now that you're in, you can rename your form. I'll call this one Contact Info. Below that, you can add a description, so I'll write Fill in all the information. Next, let's create the first question. I'll type Name. This question type will automatically be set to short answer, which is exactly what we want. If you want to make this question mandatory, simply toggle the required switch. To add another question, click the plus button on the right. For this question, I'll type Gender. This time, I'll switch the question type to multiple choice and create two options, male and female. I'll also mark this question as required. To customize the theme, click the Customize Theme button at the top. Here, you can change the color scheme or choose a header image. I'll select this header and adjust the colors to match. And just like that, our Google form is ready. To share the form, click the Send button at the top. You can either send it directly to an email address or click the Link tab to copy the shareable link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and useful guides. Thanks for watching.